Today I wanted to share my skincare routine for mature skin. I have come back from a vacation where I feel like my skin really needs hydration. One of the ways that I keep my skin moisturized is I do incorporate a sleeping mask and a lip mask. And I incorporate this into my nightly routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. My skincare routine that I do daily with incorporating some weekly steps. If you're like me, I struggled for a long time knowing whether to put my serum before my moisturizer or my moisturizer before my serums. I am going to take you on a step-by-step process. So let's go ahead and begin with the mask.
The mask that I am using today is from Mid-Flower. It's a hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask. The main function of hyaluronic acid is to retain water. This mask states that it plumps fine lines and diminishes wrinkles, providing an instant filling and smoothing effect.
So different masks call for different timing. This one I will leave on 20 to 30 minutes. And so after the 20 minutes, I'll be back for the next step.
So I definitely wanted to cover as much area as possible with this mask. Sometimes they tend to be a little bit larger than your face. So you just kind of have to adjust it and form it to your face. I think what's really important with moisturizing and hydration is to definitely drink enough water. I know that I try to drink at least 8 bottles of water a day, and it has really helped keep my skin smooth and hydrated along with this step-by-step skincare system. After 20 minutes, I removed the mask. I massaged the excess essence into my skin. The mask does call for a lightly rinse as needed, and so I went ahead and put warm water on my little towel and patted dry the excess, only because you don't want to tug and pull at your skin. You definitely want to pat dry water off your face.
So the next step is the take the day off. I have really liked this Clinique. It's a makeup remover and it's specifically for lids, lashes, and lips. But you can put it all over your face as you're cleaning your lashes and your lips. If you go onto your skin, it's absolutely fine. I have used it. Make sure that you shake it up. And I definitely like using these Chanel cotton pads with any of my cleansing liquids. And so this is what I like to call the manual cleanse, where I manually cleanse my skin. And so I focus a lot on the eyes first and the lashes, especially if I have mascara. This gets it right off. I like to focus underneath and then on my lips. And then, as I mentioned, I like to go ahead and take it over my skin and just cleanse it manually. The next step that I have started to incorporate into my skincare routine is a spin brush. This spin brush was sent to me by Duvolle, and I felt like I needed to go ahead and incorporate a second cleansing system into my routine because I just wanted to get that extra cleansing. Now today I'm going to use this detoxifying black cleanser from Boschka, but sometimes I do use the Charlotte Tilbury cleanser. This is a cleanser, a mask, and balm. So you can use whatever cleanser you'd like. I like this one in particular, and so I just pour some on there, and it does look black. And again, because I've been on vacation, I just want to go ahead and do this cleansing.
I feel that some of my hesitation in using a SkinCARE brush was the cost. Duvolle sent this to me to try and gave me a promo code for you all in case you would want to try it. The code offers 70% off of the SkinCARE brush. This makes the SkinCARE brush $28.50. Please see the description box below for more detailed information. The discount does apply to styling tools as well.
And then what I do is I take warm water, I put it on my little towel, and I go over and remove the cleanser as gently as possible with minimal tugging at my skin. And then I'll actually rinse it off my skin completely. And again, you definitely don't want to tug, just pat dry with your towel. I really like this towel because it's very soft and it doesn't tug at my skin, but it picks up all of the water. After cleansing my face, I apply a toner, and I have been using this one. I really do like this Truffle Therapy face toner. I bought it on Amazon, and I have really liked this one. I like to go in with the Clinique Clarifying Lotion, and this is an exfoliator. Now the Duvolle spin brush does come with a brush that you can use to exfoliate, so that's definitely an option. I also try to remove hair from my face with a face razor, and that also does an exfoliating of your skin. You can also have a creamy exfoliator that has particles in it that'll help exfoliate your face, but I really have liked this one. And again, I do use the Chanel pads for this. You don't need a lot, and I just put very little. And I have really felt like this has helped with my pores.
I did want to mention that this Clinique exfoliator allows you to use it twice a day, but you don't want to exfoliate every day with other creams or devices. I really like that the Duvolle comes with an exfoliator as well as a body cleansing brush and a pumice stone.
The next item that I have incorporated as of recently is this Magic Serum by Charlotte Tilbury. And I really do feel like this is a magic cream. it also has helped in combination with the clarifying lotion to minimize my pores. And so I have really enjoyed this product. And I will say that I don't use it in conjunction. As you can see, my skincare involves a lot of different products. I feel like you need to find the products that work for you and work well together. So the last item that I have been using on my face is this Clinique Moisture Surge. And I really have enjoyed this product. As you can see, I am almost through it completely. It is such a nice product. It's in a gel form and it works well on top of the serum. And so with the moisturizer, I just like to warm it up in my hands and then just pat it on top of that serum. I do let the serum sit on my face for a little bit before I'll put on the moisturizer. So this step-by-step skincare routine can work whether you're taking off your makeup or putting on your makeup. I would say the weekly mask, the weekly exfoliating that you can do with a cream or with the Duvolle will really help replenish your skin. And if you're starting out your day and this is your AM routine, you can follow up with sunscreen of your choice. If this is your nighttime routine, then you can definitely incorporate some eye cream under your eyes. You can do this skincare routine, sleeping lip mask, sleeping mask, all will contribute to your skin being beautiful. And at 53, I really am happy with the condition of my skin. I was late to the game starting a skincare routine, so it's never too late to start and start incorporating these steps into your daily and nightly routine. Because the sooner you start taking care of your skin, the longer you will see the beautiful benefits of incorporating a skincare routine. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.